I've been raised as a Christian since I was a child, and I've only recently started really believing, and it's had a lot of impact on my life recently. Since I was about 12, I started to really get engaged with it and start reading the Bible every night. It makes you feel a lot better, and even though you're more aware of the world and horrible things that happen, when you trust in God and you trust in Jesus, then it makes your life so much more peaceful. When I think of him as friendly and reassuring, and when I talk to him, it has a lot of impact. It's just generally made me feel a lot better about going through life, not being scared about anything, and just being at peace with yourself and not having to worry about things around you. When I was 12, there'd been some sort of tragedy, and I was really scared about it, and I was worried, and so my dad told me to pray about it, and then I did pray about it, and I started to trust in God a lot more, and I felt so much better. Being in a relationship with Jesus makes you feel so much better. I mean, if you're ever worried about something, you know there's just someone you can talk to. When my friends are Christians, it makes me feel more secure that I'm surrounded by people who do believe in God, because if my friends weren't Christians, I'd feel like I was singled out there. Being in school can be quite hard because people sometimes tease you about your religion, or you hear them saying horrible things about it, and then it makes you scared, or you sort of get, if this is the right word, peer pressured into not standing up for any of your faiths or beliefs. But what you've got to do, you've got to stand up for it as much as you can. The advice I would give would be to read a lot more of the Bible, because it does answer a lot of your questions. And if not, you could ask a parent or a guardian if you have any questions, and keep praying basically.